The World Heart Federation have found that heart disease and strokes are the world's leading cause of death, killing 17.1 million people every year. That's more than victims of cancer, HIV and AIDS and malaria. In Manipur, 10 to 12% of the patients admitted in the hospital are related to heart diseases.
India dasu wangi Manipur dasu wangi ko sen habda world go ina chahi amada 17 millions sarana asi anaba sing asi khoi heart disease to sibe ori anaba chama ming chamada anaba taradin 30 bo heart patient way.
Overeating, lack of exercise, unhealthy diets, and high blood pressure, cholesterol, and glucose levels are all factors which can trigger heart disease and threaten our own lives and those of loved ones.
Angang we ngetu thamoi lana later like popodi yaw pobi ai natraga koi infection to matung da lumiti heart disease ga nyam le di chai ni phu hara matam da di masai blood pressure se wang ba adegi akhoi gi chini gi sau se wang ba charo ja chinjak chab le cholesterol ji amna wang da akhoi gi macha di I chamutung pipe sing ma se punjen ba dyslipidemia adegi akhoi mani pudha ga stress and strain yam toina wakhan ngai ta ba thon ba asina ju say heart akai bam poali.
If you have breathing problem, chest pain, fatigue, blurred vision, restlessness, immediately consult your doctor.
Angang hingi sunjali ko sunjam matam se ram khoi je so mo ware masa lai hu kana hore makana nare hare matam na khoi lumeti ha de leibel ta bing thupi ho ga dam ni thuna dai ni pu so mi sing se ma kok si am lumme kok si chi ko ngawre natraga mitchi pochi chen uraktre somebody nare tabak te myun jonge amari ko ngawre tabang nare hara matam na khoi masai blood pressure se wang da bra ta pe tan khang do piu ta ma ni matam jana khang mora ga matam tan lai ngoro ga chai tung da thulak ka ba blood pressure wang ba de gi I jamu tong ko gi tat pipe sing tat ke na stroke ko mun I thok pa hemorrhage asni ching mar ga mun thon bi.
On the occasion of World Heart Day, Head of Department of Cardiovascular and Thoracic Surgery RIMS and President of Manipur Heart Care Society, Dr. K.S.H. Kala have message for the public.
Akoi isada saigi thamoi da awa bigera ba laina natraga factor mayam che churubi thapi ba isai bp wangan ba amadi saro da chinjak sasan bi ba amadi wakhan ngai ta stress and strain nei ba amadi diabetes le ba mayam je thadok piu chuna thadogari thamoi na mathau to ba akai be leroi amadi matam sang leiba ngamni haina mayam mafam da hoina paujin jari.
If we stop smoking, reduce the intake of salt, and do eat healthy diet and do regular exercises, then we'll be able to protect ourselves from heart diseases. In Imphal with camera person Subhas Sungkham, this is Gita Yanglem for Impact News.